Hello everyone and welcome to the video. In this video I'll be talking about Gitpod, which is a ready to code online development environment in which you can get VS Code online and you can open up projects in there. So this is something similar to GitHub's code spaces, and it's also open source. You can find its GitHub repository here. So this video is a simple walkthrough of how to create a workspace in Gitpod. It's pretty simple. First you have to log in. You can authenticate via GitLab, GitHub or Bitbucket. I'm going with GitHub. Once you're authenticated, you'll be redirected to a workspaces page from where you can create new workspaces, view your workspaces. These are my recent workspaces. I have few of them. You can select one from the list if you have any of them to go to the workspace. Gitpod also provide you with ready-made templates from which you can select and start a project. Gitpod also has browser extensions to open up repositories directly into Gitpod. It's available for Firefox and Chromium browsers. So for example, I have this repository, and if you click on the Gitpod button right there, it opens up Gitpod with the project. Once it starts up, you have an interface similar to VS Code, from where you can do your development as usual on your local system. Here I'll be showing you how to build this project, which is a fairly simple project. First, let's install all the packages I've used with npm i or npm install. So once that's complete, let's run the file. And there we go, we have successfully built our project using Gitpod. This has been Gitpod in 3 minutes, so thank you for watching. See you in another video.